In this tutorial I will show you how to scan documents with your phone. Scanning documents with your phone is quick and easy. Here's how you can do it. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. Once the app is open, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the plus icon. A menu with several options will appear. From the menu, tap on Scan. You will now be prompted to position the document properly. Once it's aligned, your phone will automatically scan the document. If you need to scan additional pages, just click the capture icon again and repeat the process. Once you're happy with the pictures, tap Save. If the images aren't clear or need adjustments, tap Retake to try again. Continue scanning and retaking until the documents are properly captured. Once all pages are scanned, tap Done. You will then be prompted to choose the file format for the scanned document. After selecting the format, tap Upload. The scan will be processed and uploaded to Google Drive. It might take a few seconds, but once it's done, the file will be saved and ready to access. And that's it. You've successfully scanned and uploaded your document.